Hey guys, Basil Will from Grayson Hobby, and we're going to do another Q&A session. That one worked out pretty well. It's pollen season here, so we're trying to stay inside.
Yeah.
So what's new this week, Will?
Well, the ET Maxes have come in and already gone out of stock.
Basically, yeah.
So that's there.
If you haven't watched that video, we definitely give it 2 thumbs up. And then we're going to probably do some mods to it coming up soon.
Yeah.
Figure out, play with the cameras, all that good stuff. So anything you want to see for the ET Max, put it in the comment below, and we'll hopefully get to it.
We got the SpeedX Rex 80 HD model in for review. So we'll have a video up shortly on that one.
So real quick, HD camera, the TinyWhoops are just coming out like
from
crazy.
Everyone, yeah.
I mean, everybody's got one.
The market's getting flooded with them.
Yes, but I predicted this way back when. I think that will be the future, and I think now the future coming forward will be some kind of a GPS system. Not saying autonomous, but some kind of a don't crash if I lose my VTX.
And then we have a Mortar 7 HD that we attempted to review, but somebody turned on.
We were actually going to do I was going to chase this guy with mine. My ET
you
150.
chase this with the ET.
Whatever. I was chasing something, and
he broke it. He plugged in. I literally went from flying with the Caddx camera to the Run Cam. The Run Cam logo came up because his VTX was a 200 milliwatt, and I'm flying with a 25.
So lesson learned.
Yeah, check your channels.
Check your crap before you start flying.
Yeah. So this is down for the count. We literally broke all 4 motors. The camera was cracked. The lens is cracked. The cover's cracked. I think we might have broken a wire. We pretty much totaled this quad.
And I've never seen in my life, we actually split the SD card almost in half. That's how hard of a crash this was.
The SD card that has all my DVR footage from every flight that I jokingly said I did not want to lose happened to get ejected from the Caddx camera and broke in half. So that's really awesome. So there goes a lot of that footage. But yeah, so that again, not too impressed with durability. So, but on the bright side, possibly, we got the sample in from SPC Maker. It's been a minute since we've dealt with SPC Maker.
Yes.
They really wanted us to try this one, and this is their new version of a TinyWhoop. It has very durable feeling guards on it, which seems stronger than the Mortar 7. It has the Run Cam mini split in it, which either you like the mini split or you like the Caddx. It has a really nice durable shell to it, nice XT30 connector, carbon-based frame, stackable flight controller. Kind of, it seems like it's sharing similar electronics to the SpeedX.
The one thing that you'll notice right off the bat is the exposed electronics.
Yeah, but I don't think that's going to be as big of a deal as most people think, because the wires are protected. That's the thing. Unlike some of the other quads out there, the wires are run in areas where they're not going to get in the way. So this, I think, is going to be a really cool one. If you guys want to see a review on that, let us know.
Yep. When we do a review, shoot us a comment below on what you want to see.
Any questions?
Yeah, anything specifically, battery size, any of the good stuff.
And then we also got the Diatone I don't even know. Hold on. 548 from Diatone. This is the 7th anniversary edition. It's the one with the cat hydro dip on it and everything. So it comes with it comes with the pod top and the carbon top. This one's pretty awesome. I'm actually keeping this one. This is mine.
Is that a 5S or excuse me, 4S or 6S?
This is probably a 4-cell. It's 2600 kV or 2650 kV motors, 2207s. I'm assuming it's a 4-cell quad.
Mamba stack, obviously.
Yeah.
And Mamba motors.
Yes.
And what kind of camera?
This actually has a Foxeer camera and a Foxeer lollipop.
So we said earlier off camera, Diatone now is using Foxeer cameras on this one.
Caddx Turtles
on the
HDs.
It's a 340 HD, the 249 HD, and then the Run Cam on the other models. So. They're trying to make everybody happy. So good job for Diatone, making everybody happy with the cameras.
Yeah, so I think this is gonna be cool. One thing I did notice from the initial ones, that little PDB that they had on the top is no longer there. They're just running the wire straight to the flight to the ESC. So that's a little different there. So I guess they did make a running change on that. I don't know if that was bad for them at one point.
And then we also got the Mamba stacks in. So those of you guys were asking, they're all here. This is just 5 I can hold in my hand. We've got another 50 and 100.
And we also got the Tyrant 4-cell and 6-cell versions back in stock, which this is an awesome little freestyle quad. It's built very strong, and a lot of guys really like that.
That's probably, well, it was the best flying Diatone until that one arrived.
Yeah, this is more of a racer. This is more of a freestyle. And
on top of that, we also have the M530 series and M630 series.
Yeah, we got the 5-inch, 6-inch metal frame.
Those are metal frames. So always use the Mamba stack. all of them are the plug-and-play receivers, correct?
All the diatones. Yeah, they all have the RXSR plug on them.
Plug. So no soldering, just plug in. A lot of questions we're getting in the past is the old video we did, the 530 series. It was a kind of an offshoot connector. We made some up especially for the diatones, and you no longer need those.
Yeah, you don't need that anymore.
So that's that. What's your top topic of the week? GNB batteries. GNB battery. We got a new shipment of GNB batteries. The 520s, 2S, 3S, and 1S. Also, the 300 milliamp will be in stock as well. 2S, the same batteries you would use for the Mobula 7, and then one other one, 450 2S, I think it is. Anyways, the link will be in the low. Oh, also 654S. We'll try those. Okay. Link is below for all those. So I know we get a lot. I've seen a lot of emails coming through about the receivers.
Yeah, I'll give you that one.
Yeah.
Okay.
So the ET Max is a plug and play, which means it doesn't come with a receiver. That's confusing to everybody because King Kong was making a Free Sky, Fly Sky, and Spectrum, and
for all the other ones.
For all the ones. So all of a sudden you throw in a plug and play. People are like, well, what the heck? So we are now going to offer this. When you little drop down menu, you'll see it. The option with the Free Sky.
So you can either get it with, if you do Spectrum, it's a SPM 4648 receiver. The harness is on the quad. If you're going to get the Free Sky one, we have an RXSR and the harness combo because it doesn't come with the RXSR harness. So you can plug that straight in. So you will have to install it yourself. It's just a matter of shrink tube, double-sided tape.
Yes, we could do it for you, but there's absolutely no reason for us to do it for you.
It's easy to install.
It's a plug. You take the 2 screws off the top, and you double-sided tape, and you bind it.
And worst case scenario, we can do a video of the install on it. Right. So, but that is the options we offer there. So if you look on the site, you're like, what receiver do I need? There's a 2. If you're running Fly Sky, the Flit 10, but good luck.
Yeah, so if you're, this is for once, we actually have a Spectrum receiver.
Yeah.
The only quality
big enough receiver to fit it.
Right. Obviously, the room is in here. Plenty of room. Also, we keep getting emails about the ET115 camera upgrades.
Oh yeah, we got those back in the plastic thing.
Yes,
we got some of those back in.
And then also, will that fit a new Caddx EOS?
It should.
Then,
EOS?
You knew that if you do modify the existing canopy.
Well, if you want, there is a way to put an EOS camera in the stock one, but that's pretty much just another version of a stock camera.
Okay. So that's the biggest question we're getting lately is can I upgrade the camera on the ET115? I love my 115 with the run cam. I have 2 of them because one's always down, so I'm just going back and forth. If you're looking to upgrade your run cam, you don't necessarily have to use that split to save some cost, but the camera, I will never go back to the stock camera ever after flying that mini split camera. I
will give it, the split is a better camera than the stock, but I would prefer over the mini split or the Caddx, I'd prefer just a regular CCD.
Right, definitely. So. One of our customers came in this week and was able to drill a hole out, but he was having some issues with the canopy and all that stuff. So
yeah.
But all right, so that's that.
So yeah, this is kind of what I'm looking forward to reviewing. So hopefully you guys want us to do this next, but just let us know.
So shoot us questions for our next Q&A. Hopefully it'll be next week. Could be anything. Do we ship? We got that one last week again. Yes, we ship. We're located in Georgia, right outside Atlanta. Everything you see here is right here. No drop shipping. Nothing comes from China directly. It all comes directly from us.
And I didn't forget you guys the one to do the tutorial on the Mamba flight sack setup and all that. I really want to do a build on that, so I'm hoping to get. We're waiting on a couple parts to come in and all that, and then go from there. But I did not forget about you guys that requested on the last Q&A thing.
Oh, parts. The Emax Econo motors. What are they called?
The Emax Eco motors.
Eco motors. We've had a whole bunch on order. I get an email, or I contact them every night, and they keep saying the machine that makes them is broke.
Yeah.
I don't know if that's true, but we don't have any, and they're on the way.
Send us their motors.
They're on the way, but they do have a new quad coming out. Have you seen that new one?
Yeah.
Have you seen that new quad coming out?
The $300 one?
The $300 quad. I don't know if we're going to carry that one, just because I think the diatones are just precious. They're $50 less.
Yeah, I don't know. I mean, teach his own.
Yeah, I don't know.
They can't get.
But they can't get anything here, so we may or may not do that one in the future. But if you're this far into it, yeah.
I'm not sure how their motor machine's not working yet. They can produce a whole quad with motors.
Right.
I'm on to you, Emax.
Gotcha. And then, since you're those who watch this long, there is a new product from ET on the horizon. It is the new GT
7 and 8.
7 and 8. I guess that'd be V3 or 2019.
It's the full-blown 2019 now that 2019's halfway through. So.
Yeah, so that's a new one coming out. We have some on the way. We'll do a review on them. Basically, it's the same quad, upgraded. I don't know what they upgraded. The canopy and
they
the
upgraded the VTX, more channels on the VTX. The canopy's been changed. The props have been changed. Right.
So link will be below to all the V2s. We're going to blow those out. So check the link below.
Good time to buy them.
Yep. Nothing's wrong with the V2s. They're awesome. I have one. There's a couple here for sale.
I have a V1.
Yeah. All right. Thanks for watching. And remember, hit the Q&A comments below with anything you want to see for next time, and then we'll hopefully get it to everything. And yeah. All right.
Yep.
What you got there?
Just something I felt like trying real quick. So the Tyrant is a really nice frame. It's got a ton of power. It's 2306, 2450 kV motors, so they're pretty high kV. Obviously the quad runs on 4-cell, no problem. But I'm kind of thinking running 4-inch props with the ET Max guards on this bad boy and see what it does. Obviously there'll be a lower performance because it's only 4-inch props over 5-inch, and you're adding weight. But I'm almost wondering maybe 5-cell or something. I don't have any 5 cells, but I'm just thinking that this might actually be kind of cool.
That looks crazy.
Yeah. So this is we're to whoop or not to whoop. That is the question, I guess.
That looks actually looks pretty cool. These whoops make it look.
But it's not a whoop. We know. It's just the terminology for the prop guards.